welcome to my channel again. Today I will be bringing you guys a beauty tip video about hair. If you have lightened hair like me, and sometimes with time, over the use of shampoos and conditioners and styling products, it's gonna get brassy. And I've noticed in some photos that it is getting orange, so I'm gonna show you what I do to take the orange out and make it look clean and fresh, and a little bit lighter, take that orange away. Okay, so stay tuned. Let me show you the things that you're gonna need and how I do it, and then of course I will show you afterwards when I wash it, blow dry it, and style it, how it looks afterwards. Okay, so here are the products that I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna use gloves after I mix it and to put it in my hair, because it will stain your hands like purple a little bit. And we're gonna do the conditioner. We're gonna mix the conditioner in here with a little bit of purple, a little bit of this jazzing, because that jazzing, it looks, the color is great, but it's actually bluish. So that blue and the purple is what takes the brassiness away from the hair, out of the hair. So, and also by doing it with this conditioner, you condition your hair, because you know that when you bleach it or lift the color, your hair dries out. And this is what I use for a hair cap, just the grocery store bag, and then a hair clip, because I'm gonna roll it up, and then I use this for mixing it. So let me show you how I mix it, put it together. Okay, so this is what I do to make the mixture. I'm gonna put some conditioner, about that much, because I have really thick hair. I have a lot of hair. And then I'm gonna put some Manic Purple Haze, and I have this left over because I dyed my daughter's hair purple, the tips, one time. But I mean, if you buy it, and if you have light or blonde hair, it's gonna last you a long time. So I would say about this much. And remember, this is not gonna leave your hair purple. And then that much blue. I think that was a little too much, but it's okay. I'm not worried about it. Like, I feel this is good, but I don't think it's gonna be enough, so I'm gonna add more conditioner. As far as the purple tone, I think it's good. I think the more purplish it is, the better it'll work. The deeper the purple or bluish color. So I've done it before, and I actually if you bleach your hair and it, you know, it's for the first time, it's gonna turn out kind of brassy, very brassy after the first time you bleach it. And then if you want to take away that brassiness, I suggest, if you use the jazzing and conditioner, it will leave it silver. It will actually give your hair like a gray tone, a gray blonde look. So it turned out really blue, but that's fine. I don't mind, because probably within 3 weeks my hair will be brassy again. So blue will just make it look more platinum, actually. You know, if you want it to be more warm and you know, blonde, but blonde, not brassy. You want to take away the brassy, and you want it to be blonde. not platinum, just use purple. Don't use the jazzing. The jazzing gives it like a blue tone, and that blue tone will give you more platinum silver tone. Okay? So now I'm going to apply this to my hair. So I have it on now, guys, and what you can do is, you know, leave it on for 10-15 minutes and then wash it, or then take a shower, whatever, and take it off. But I wanted to tell you about the jazzing. The jazzing is the Jet Grape number 70, Jet Grape. I bought it because my daughter wanted to have little purple tips, you know, so I bleached her hair. And I bought the jazzing Jet Grape 70 to give her the little purple bluish tips that she wanted on her hair. But it didn't work. It didn't grab at all. It's horrible, horrible, horrible for dyeing. Then later, I talked to somebody at Sally's and they told me about Manic Panic. And Manic Panic is awesome. It works great. It's almost like a conditioner with color. It's really soft. It's really not damaging at all to your hair. If you wanted to go with a color for your hair, I would definitely recommend Manic Panic. You know, and I'm talking about color like a red orange or red or purple or blue or green, a really, you know, jazzing like blue color, then I would recommend Manic Panic. Manic Panic is really good. So yeah, I wanted to say that about jazzing. But you know, we used it. I had a little bit left, and I discovered that that's what it's good for. Because when I bleached her hair, then I put the jazzing, it took away the brassiness, and it just left her with like platinum blonde hair on the bottom, which was good because then I put the Manic Panic, and Manic Panic looked great on that. And if I find a picture, I'll post it. I'll put it on there so you guys could see what it ended up looking like. But right now I'm just cleaning my gloves and I'm cleaning my bowl. And when you do this in your bathroom, make sure that, you know, lay a towel down if you get any of it anywhere, because it might stain your bathroom and it might not be able to come out. I don't know what materials you have in your bathroom. My sink is just one piece. It's white, and it comes out easy, you know. So just want to mention that to you. Be careful, you know, when you're applying this too, to not splash it over your walls, on, you know. Just be careful with it because you are working with color and you don't want to make a mess. So I'm about to wash this out of my hair, and I'll blow dry it and I'll show you what it's gonna look like. Okay? So the lighting is here. is better here. Right now it's, you know, damp, but I think it does look a little better. And I'm gonna dry it and I'll show you what it looks like dried. Okay, and I don't, oh, like this part right here, it looks really like silver, more platinum. But yeah, I don't use conditioner a lot on my hair, and I don't brush it also, because if you have bleached or lightened hair, you know that it is tangly, and then you would get breakage if you comb it or brush it really thoroughly, you know. So I don't do it very thoroughly. I'll just blow dry it, and then I'll just lightly brush it and then curl it or style it, you know. I don't like to mess with it so much. And my hair is actually really strong, and it's not like elasticy, and it doesn't break, but still I like to take extra care of it if I'm gonna keep it light for a long time into the summer. Okay, so I just wanted to share those tips with you. Try them. You know, don't use conditioner all the time if your hair is oily. My head is really oily, like my face is oily, my head. So I don't use conditioner every single time that I wash my hair. I'll use it every other time or every third day. Okay guys, so I'm done blow drying and styling my hair, and you can see how it's not brassy right here. It's really like platinum right here. It's really light, and that's what I wanted. You know, it looks fresher, it looks lighter, like if I had just done the lightening, you know. And yeah, so that's a good tip from me to you guys if you want to take brassiness out of your highlighted or lightened hair. And if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you like this video. I hope you try it. Don't be afraid to try stuff. It's not gonna dye your hair blue or purple. You're only gonna leave it for the maximum 10 minutes, okay? So subscribe if you haven't already to my channel, so you can see all my beauty tip videos, cooking videos, and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and I'll see you guys again in my next video. Bye.